Now, in this section, we will see the problems of estimation, population or sample. So, a common problem in statistics is to obtain the information about the mean. What? The common problem in statistics is to obtain the information about the particular mean. And mu is used whenever we are talking about the estimation. So, the mean is nothing but mu, that is of a population that we have to consider. So the population and sample, both things are related to problems of estimation. If the population is small, we can ordinarily determine mu exactly by first taking a census and then computing the mu from the population data. If the population is large, then in practice it is done that taking a census is impractical, expensive, as well as impossible. So we can use the sufficiently accurate information by taking the sample from the population. So by these ways we can find out the problem of estimation, or we can find out the value when the population is small and when the population is large. For example, we want to know the mean age of people in the civilian labor force, or the mean cost of a wedding, the mean gas mileage of a new model car, or the mean starting salary of liberal art graduates. So when we are thinking about such type of examples, at that time this population and sample is covered. You can see in the diagram, population is complete set, we can say, and sample is subset of the particular population. So the sample is created when some characteristics are common in between the elements of population. So population is the main set and sample is constructed from that, that's why it is called as the subset. So if population is small, we are taking the census from the population data and we are finding the value. And if it is large, then we are trying to find out the accurate information about the mean. So that's why it is said that the common problem in statistics is to obtain information about the mean, because we have to obtain exact information about the mean. Only then we will be able to find out the value, because we have to think the information is larger, the information is smaller, and according to that we will be able to find out how the particular value can be calculated. So this is all about problems of estimation, population or sample. Now in the next section we will see the normal distribution curve and the various characteristics